Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing process in advanced ceramics manufacturing. It's all about feldspar grinding, and trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. You see, feldspar is a key mineral in ceramics, but raw feldspar isn't ready for high-tech applications. That's where specialized grinding mills come in. They don't just crush it, they transform it into an ultra-fine, uniform powder. This precision is crucial because the quality of the powder directly affects the final ceramic product. Think about it. Better powder means stronger, more durable ceramics with superior thermal and electrical properties. Whether it's for aerospace components, medical implants, or cutting-edge electronics, the grind makes all the difference. Modern grinding mills use advanced technology to control particle size down to the micron level. This ensures consistency batch after batch, which is vital for industrial-scale manufacturing. Without this precise grinding, achieving the high performance expected from advanced ceramics would be nearly impossible. So, while it might seem like a small step, feldspar grinding is actually the foundation of innovation in ceramics. It's enabling lighter, stronger, and more efficient materials that are shaping the future of multiple industries. From reducing weight in aircraft to improving biocompatibility in medical devices, the impact is huge. And as technology advances, so do these grinding processes, pushing the boundaries of what ceramics can do. So next time you hear about a breakthrough in ceramics, remember the humble grinding mill behind it all. It's a perfect example of how precision in manufacturing drives progress in ways we often overlook.